Good morning, friends. Welcome to the session. Is my audio loud and clear, everybody? If yes, please give me a tech check.
If yes, please give me a tech check.
Yeah, I think my camera is not working again today, but it's fine. Yeah, so Jai Hind Investment, Najib, yeah, Venkat, good morning, everybody. I'll just share my screen. Yeah, I have shared my screen. Is it visible now? Yeah, good morning. Is my screen visible? Yeah. So I'll just read out the disclaimer. This is for educational and informational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. So let's see on 29th of June, what is the broad markets looking like? I think we are opening after a very, very long weekend. Lots have happened. And let's see how to take a stock of this. So I've written the note on weekly note on Substack. Hope everybody have read that. So we are going to start with as always crude. See what has happened is now crude has come to this gap, which is this support level from where here the crude rally started. So whenever you see prices जब भी gap भरता है ना एक बार वहाँ पे रुक जाता है. So I think this is a decent level for crude at a support level, but be aware crude is forming a very very compact channel. We can call it as a flat. No, can we make a wedge over here? Let me just check out. Yes, right. So crude at support and chart pattern is that of falling wedge. Suggests that a low in crude has been reached. So I'll not be surprised if crude spikes up from here. But crude, as you all know, it's geopolitical stuff. But be aware of crude. Crude एक काफी लो नीचे के स्तर पे आ गया है, जो कि 60 का स्तर है जहाँ से टेक ऑफ किया था. And this level of crude might be giving us some sort of a spike, but let's wait. तो क्रूड में यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट बन गया, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. देखिए जहाँ से चला वहीं पे आ गया, which means from here it rallied and it is back to that same level. So it has completed the entire cycle of an uptrend and a cycle of a correction. So be aware of crude at the current levels. After this, we are going to go to Gift Nifty. Sorry, not Gift Nifty. Straight. Headlines. Only one headline. हम micro नहीं देखते. Just one big headlines on investing, which is the main headlines, which says Asian stocks mixed as AI valuation worries overshadowing US-Iran tension. So AI में फिर से लफड़ा है एशियन स्टॉक्स में वैल्यूएशन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस थिंग. Yesterday, Dow Jones closed 45 points. Right now, the US futures are up 100 plus points. तो ग्लोबल में कोई भी बहुत बड़ी अफरा तफरी है नहीं. In the sense, no big moves have happened when we woke up for the day. So this is most of the indices either mixed, they are red or green. Nikkei is down 500 points. Bovespa Brazil is up. So ग्लोबल मार्केट से कुछ खास क्यों मिल नहीं रहे, बट इतना पता चल रहा है कि एआई का अगेन मार्केट जोर से नोटिस कर रहा है कि वैल्यूएशंस बहुत हाई है. सो दिस टेल्स अस दैट गिफ्ट निफ्टी माइट बी ओपनिंग फ्लैटिश प्लस और माइनस 50 पॉइंट्स. मैंने देखा नहीं है, चलो देख लेते. आई बी मैथमेटिक्स गुड मॉर्निंग. राजू जादव गुड मॉर्निंग. Now we'll go to Gift Nifty. And quite obvious Gift Nifty is that देखिए गिफ्ट निफ्टी ने अभी तक चैनल तोड़ा नहीं, रिमेंबर दैट. सो गिफ्ट निफ्टी इज जस्ट फ्लैटिश प्लस 9 पॉइंट्स. सो मार्केट हम भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते एक फ्लैटिश मोड में खुले. आफ्टर दैट देखिए विदाउट एनी स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यूज यू आपको क्या अपने इंडेक्स के चार्ट्स के बेस पे ट्रेड करना पड़ेगा. नाउ इफ यू हैव रेड द सबस्टैक नोट, आई डोंट थिंक एवरीबडी हैज रेड इट. ओके, देखिए ये जो कैंडल है, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल, इसको हम बोलते हैं शूटिंग स्टार. और शूटिंग स्टार स्विंग हाई के पास आया तो इसका रेलेवेंस बहुत हाई है. तो हमें पता है यहाँ पे ये गैप पे सेलर्स है स्विंग, लास्ट स्विंग हाई पे. तो मार्केट एक क्रूशियल मोड पे आ गया. बट हियर विल ओनली डू इंट्राडे, ये सब शाम को डिस्कस करेंगे. इफ आई टॉक फ्रॉम इंट्राडे पर्सपेक्टिव, टू गो राइट लुक लेफ्ट. जहाँ जहाँ गैप है जस्ट ड्रॉप अ लाइन. आई रिपीट, जहाँ जहाँ गैप है जस्ट ड्रॉप अ लाइन. देखिए ये गैप तो भर गया, अभी बचा ये वाला गैप. गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? आई जूम दिस पार्ट. कैन यू ऑल सी दिस गैप? गैप पे सेलर्स बैठे रहते, रिमेंबर दैट. Yeah, is the gap visible to you all? Yeah, this is the gap and now ये गैप ही मेरा एक रेजिस्टेंस है जो कि थर्सडे के हाई के पास भी है. तो गैप का हम क्या करते हैं, गैप के पहले वाली कैंडल ले लेते हैं और पूरा गैप ले लेते हैं लाइक दिस. एंड लेट्स कम टू द करंट प्राइस. So this is where the sellers are sitting or the supply is there in the market in Nifty between 24 250 to 20. ये 100 पॉइंट का रेंज टफ रहेगा. Now on a 60 minutes, this gap market did filled on Friday. But यहाँ पे देखिए, just look over here. See, if you change it to line chart, wherever there are such bases, that's where the support or demand is. So I'll not take this. मैं ये doji candle पूरी ले लेता हूँ. This is my first support. Then it comes to way down here. So this is how my Nifty is placed. So I need to know where my buyers are, where my sellers are, where the demand is, where the supply is, what is the chart pattern, everything. इसके बाद ही हम 15 मिनट पे जाते. So we do top down approach. Never ever open a 5-15 minutes charts. First open daily, then 60 minutes. What we are doing right now. Now I am coming to 15 minutes. या इन 15 मिनट्स देखिए सपोर्ट में तो कोई चेंज हो नहीं रहा. रेजिस्टेंस इज स्टिल देयर. एंड एग्जैक्ट अगर आपको लेना है तो फ्राइडे का हाई भी ले लो, दैट इज ओके. नाउ ड्यूरिंग द डे विल मार्केट कम हियर एंड गिव यू अ स्पाइक ऑन द अपसाइड? एब्सोल्युटली पॉसिबल. अभी आपको यहाँ पे करना क्या है, द मोमेंट चैनल्स आर फॉर्म यू हैव टू मार्क अ चैनल. सो आई कनेक्ट द लोस. नहीं, चैनल यहाँ पे बन रहा है? आई डोंट थिंक सो, नो. लेट अस नाउ ट्राई दिस वन. Yes. So this is how the Nifty looks like today. Now we'll 15 minute पे we'll adjust the support. So I'm taking this now. Yeah, the base is entire this candle. So this is how your Nifty is looking. देखिए अगर मार्केट सवेरे मॉर्निंग में सॉफ्ट खुलता है ये जोन के आसपास, तो यू विल गेट अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अ मॉर्निंग बाउंस और अ स्पाइक. Everybody clear on the Nifty part? Now, having said that, again, previous day's bases are also resistant. So this we got from 60 minutes. This is the base over here. So ये base भी एक resistance है. Right? So now this is how my Nifty is looking today, and I can plan out things accordingly. Yeah, I'm getting yes from all the participants. So more or less it will be a sideways to choppy, which means that see you have आपको trader के decide करना पड़ेगा which range. I think this looks very decent for my morning range. As the day progresses, let's see whether we will be over here or we will be over here. So let me take a poll. See, we can only decide for the morning right now. So this is one, most likely in the morning. This is two. Let's see where the expansion is happening, downside or three, upside. How many of you think today it will one? Definitely it will be. How many of you think today it will be two or three? Let me know. So I'll make it more precise. This is 2 and this is 3. Everybody's saying 3. Vasu says 2. Uh, 2. Yeah, now it's mixed 100%. Right? So morning may just trade the picture number 1 and then wait patiently. See if the channel breakouts are happening, resistance are being taken out and so on. इसके बाद हम जाते हैं बैंक निफ्टी की तरफ. इफ आई गो टू बैंक निफ्टी, आई थिंक कल निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी भी है. So bank nifty में see one thing which is happening in bank nifty is it has retraced towards this swing high, but bank nifty ने ये high निकाल दिया. So relatively bank nifty is stronger. Now drop a line over here. अभी bank nifty में मुझे लगता है थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी. Right? So now I'll go to my 200 DMA is way down here, no doubt about it. Bank nifty के 200 दिन के ऊपर है. So I'll just plot. Always be aware when your daily moving averages are running on your price charts. So this is the 200 DMA. कभी भी एक यहाँ तक का pull back आ सकता है, prepared रहो. That will not be a sharp dip. To me, it's a normal pullback. So I'll go to 60 minutes. I'll drop a line at previous day's high. Now, as I say, to go right, look left. देखते हैं left में sellers कहाँ पे बैठे हुए. We'll zoom this zone. Right? So can you also see like why on Thursday it reacted from that level? Can everybody clearly see the gap over here? Give me yes or a no. Can you see there's a gap over here? Yeah, just let's see. You need to spot all these things. आपको ये छोटी छोटी चीजें को spot करना पड़ेगा. Yes. So this gap itself is a resistance. Now I remove this. So I take the candle before the gap and entire gap. So this is my resistance in bank nifty. At least I got one. Support के लिए आसपास जाना पड़ेगा. Now I'll go to my 15 minutes time frame chart. See on a 15 minutes, this is the big resistance for the day. But कल का जो Thursday's basing, can you see this basing? This basing itself also becomes a resistance. So this is how bank nifty is on a 15 minutes. Now, अगर आप बैंक निफ्टी में देखो, all the bases on its way up are support. So I'll take the first one over here. This was the basic, right? Then we have there is a small little here also, and small little here also. So again, bank nifty is also like nifty. This is going to be the morning. As the day progresses, you'll have to figure out whether it will be this or it will be this, right? तो डेफिनेटली वन में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है खुलते में. अगर सॉफ्ट ओपनिंग खुला तो मिल सकता है 100 पॉइंट आपको. देन आइदर 2 will unfold that you'll have to capture with VWAP and multiple moving average, or 3. How many of you think it will be 2 or 3? ओपनिंग में तो 1 ही रहने वाला, और यहाँ से एक आपको स्पाइक मिलेगा 100 पॉइंट के आसपास. So everybody is saying 2. Okay. So बैंक निफ्टी में सब 2 ही बोल रहे हैं. So I'll remove this now. Like Nifty, Bank Nifty में भी आप mark करो. So there's a very compact channel. And compact channel, when they break, you get a good rise. Like just see over here, there was such a narrow compact channel. Getting it? So now today's to trade, you have to use two things. One is our demand supplies are marked, plus you need VWAP, and you need any momentum trading system. So we have our MMA, multiple moving average system. फिबोनाची लेवल इंट्राडे में मैं इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देता हूँ. इंट्राडे में वी ट्रेड द प्राइस एक्शन मोर विद चार्ट पैटर्न्स. VWAP is a multiple moving average trading system. So if anybody doesn't know, you can go to the video section and try to find out momentum strategy, where I have detail explained for in two videos for 2 hours what the multiple moving average system is. So yeah, that's how the bank nifty is looking like today. And if you have not read the Substack note, I will take you to it. You can देखिए negative divergence होने लगा है market में. Negative divergence has started appearing. So this is where I write the detailed notes. If you want, you can go through it. I also write the tips and tricks we should follow. So this is the Trading Titans page. I'll just give the link. So tips and tricks is all intraday. And this is the weekly note. So make sure before you spend some 5 minutes, I'll just put it the link in the video also. Yeah. Yeah. So I have done that. Yeah. So make sure you read this note before starting. And tips and tricks maybe I have explained the multiple moving average trading system, which is this is how to write the trend with EMA. So make sure you all, if this is for 5 minutes, if you want detail, it is on our YouTube channel under the video section. Right? So that's all from my side today, friends. Thanks and have a nice day, everybody. So everybody has voted in Bank Nifty for two and Nifty. I think all are mixed. But देखिए मॉर्निंग में मार्केट वन के बीच में ही रहने वाला है. Where again you can replay the videos and look for opportunities there as the day progresses. जैसे 11-12 बजे के बाद फिर देखते क्या रेंज में पकड़ के रखेंगे मार्केट को कि एक साइड एक अपसाइड या डाउन साइड देंगे. बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग टिल 11-12 market will be in the level which we have marked 1. So that's all from my side, friends. Thanks. Have a nice day. We'll again meet in the evening at 3:45.